Hi everyone! Hi Chi! Good morning!
Morning po, Tiel.
Ayan, hi! Kamusta? Kamusta? How are you?
Okay naman, waiting na lang sa cash.
Saka, happy payday! Yan, sahod day. Any plans for For this weekend?
Wala po, matulog, mag-ipon, ng tulog.
Okay, okay, sige. Um, alright, so let's start tayo ng ating coaching session for this week. So, here's my agenda for today. So, ang akin lang naman ay mag-discuss tayo ng mga running performance mo for the month, and then some few updates from TaskUs. But before we go there, do you have any help needed items first na we can cover?
Help needed, TL, yung ano po, HMO, ay HP DAI card or membership information. Parang wala pa po ata nun. Sa dental.
Are you referring sa link for the HP DAI?
Hindi po, TL. Ang sabi po kasi before, magkakaroon ng card kasi doon daw magbe-base yung mga dental clinic kung meron ka ng cleaning, kung ilan pa yung natitira mong pasta, ganun. So, wala pa rin po ba silang advice about dun sa card?
Ayan. Actually, regarding sa card natin, as per benefit scheme, by July, hopefully maging available na for pick up yung mga cards sa site natin. So, pa-ready na lang. I think even the HMO card will be included na rin by then. So, yeah. Update ko kayo once na meron na tayong date specific for the pick up. Look in ko na lang kayo sa details. For now, dun sa ano natin, I'll send you the link for our glow stick ticket. We actually have yung COC na you can use habang wala pa yung card natin. Para you can go there sa accredited na dental clinics and then provide yung COC, and then yung show mo lang yung valid TaskUs ID or any valid IDs, then you're good to go for the dental concerns. Okay?
Okay pa, sige, TL. Thank you po.
Thank you. Anything else aside sa dental concern? Dental,
Wala na, TL.
wala na. Alright. So, let's go with first your running performance for the month. I'm going to share my screen. Wait lang. Ayan. Can you see my screen sheet?
Yes pa, TL.
Lakihan natin.
Wow.
Ayan. So, here's your running April performance. So, overall, looking great naman yung ating overall score. So, let's tackle each So, personal accuracy, you're doing a great job. You're at 100%. You're able to meet the target. And you're able to meet yung total weight na 30% per scorecard score. Team accuracy, it's 99.33%. Would you like to share any insight regarding sa team accuracy natin? What's the challenges natin?
Well, yung common error po kasi, TL, is parang new workflow for all teammates. So, medyo naninibago pa kaya medyo nagkakaroon pa ng kapakapapa. Ganun po. Pero day by day naman, nalalaman din po namin yung mga common errors namin.
Ano yung mga action plan na prepare natin for those na nakalap natin na RCA for the FAs ng mga teammates?
Mostly po ang reminder or daily reminder po namin ay utilize ang zoom in, zoom out, and also yung media adjustment po. Kasi based dun sa mga jobs na nakukuha namin, ang tricky dahil madidilim, hard to identify kung saan yung pinaka-landmark. So, ayun po. Yun po yung daily reminder namin. And also check bago mag-submit ng job.
Sapi. Regarding dito, Chi, sorry, confirm ko lang. So, are those mostly due to ambiguous jobs or dahil ba ito sa people error? You'd like to walk me through sa mga FAs nila?
Oo po. Well, kasi po ngayon, paiba-iba po tayo ng workflow na hinahawakan dahil minsan NMJ. So, most likely yung RCA natin ay ambiguity and um, people, tenure, new workflow po. Yun po yung kadalasan na ginagamit natin.
Alright. For the ambiguous job, let's as any help needed pala first on my standpoint. Paano kita mahi-help and yung team for those ambiguous jobs? Or kung hindi man sa akin from the LX team?
Opo. Well, kasi sa LX team din naman po natin, medyo hirap din po silang mag-identify dahil sobrang dilim nga po ng mga jobs na nakukuha natin. Kaya for them, siguro, lang po, raise pa ng jobs na parang related or updated kasi sa mga pinapakita po nila, hindi ganun ka-update yung mga jobs na kinakalibrate or even doon sa upskill. So, for me, parang need nila i-update yung mga jobs na yun. Kasi parang ang layo na sa mga jobs na nakukuha natin today. Ayun.
Okay. Alright. So, ganito na lang gawin ko. As my action plan regarding this case, siguro para mas ma-help ko kayo. First, ang help needed ko from you is mga job IDs na we can raise. Pakulita lang ako from the teammates and then I will send an email sa ating LX team. That way, we can request ng kahit extra meeting with them and for them to calibrate yung mga ganong jobs para masend namin sa inyo and mas ma-align tayong lahat when it comes to tagging for those kind of jobs and any action plan moving forward natin para din sa mga madidilim yung mga images. Alright, thank you sa pag-raise. Thank you, Chi. But overall, I'm happy with your team's performance at 99.33%. So, yeah, let me know na lang pag may job IDs na para mas ma-help ko kayo. Alright? Thank you. Alright, knowledge check. You are at 97.50%. You are still within the goal. You're able to meet pa rin naman yung 15% na total weight for here. But do you have any concern when it comes to your rocket booster?
Opo, TL. Actually, yung hindi ko na-expect na magiging ganyan yung score ko dahil before, meron silang mga dispute or mga bonus. Siyempre kapag nagsasagot po ng knowledge check, hindi agad-agad na-update yung score. Kung ano yung score mo doon kahit na bonus yung isang number, hindi talaga siya mag-update. So, parang for me, hindi nila na-update to kasi may mga bonuses and dispute pa na naganap. So, ayun lang po sana yung concern ko regarding knowledge check.
Ayun. Okay, thank you sa pag-raise, G. Not aware na that's actually what happened before din sa mga KB natin. Pero, here's what I'm going to do. I'll reach out sa ating LX team. Since hindi pa naman to final, itong running score mo here sa dashboard, I'll check with them para if we can dispute itong knowledge check score mo din, I'll keep you posted and updated. Okay?
Opo, sige po.
Thank you. Calibration score, doing great, 100%. Assortive variance. Overall score at 100%. So, thank you, Chi, for your assistance sa ating teammates. And I appreciate din yung maganda mong performance week on week, your attendance. I really appreciate all the hard work that you do for not just for the team, for yourself, yan. lahat kami napapansin. And I would like to give you a feedback lang from the other teammates na they really appreciate kung paano mo sila nililid. Yan. And ayun. Hopefully, if you have any huwag kang mahiya mag-reach out sa akin, ha? Raise mo agad, lalo na yung mga ganyan. If ever na may mga concerns na tayo when it comes to rocket boosters na hindi nag-update, let me know para ahead of time mabigyan na rin kagad namin na actions.
Opo.
Ayan.
Copy TL.
Thank you. But overall, thank you sa performance mo, Chi. Ayan.
Thank you din TL sa help. Siyempre.
Thank you. Teamwork makes the dream work. Yan ang ating...
Yes. Of course.
Thank you, Chi. Updates lang since na-cover din natin yung sa dental. HMO, so let's make sure lang na ma-finalize na natin yon and check with our teammates. Make sure na lahat tayo ay tapos na. Again, make sure lang na na-add nyo na muna yung mga dependents ninyo before confirming the enrollment. Alright? Ayun lang naman from me. Any questions, concern before ako mag-recap of what we've talked about?
Wala naman na TL. Natanong ko naman po. Okay naman.
Alright. Sounds great. Then, recap lang. So, we talked about your April performance score. Our pendings is yung mga ambiguity jobs. So, waiting for the job IDs. Rocket booster to be raised to LX team. And then, any updates has been discussed na rin with you regarding sa HMO and dental concerns. Ayun.
Opo.
Yeah.
Thank
So,
you, TL.
yun lang naman from me. Thank you so much, G. I'll give you the remaining of the time. Thank you sa pag-join. Happy rest day.
Yay!
Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Alright. Ayan, as I was saying, kitang-kita yung pagiging experienced and tenured TL, yung difference niyan from newly promoted TL. And one thing na napansin ko is that you're knowledgeable regarding do sa sa new provider ng dental or yung health card natin. And that shows na you care for the teammates because most probably since it's a new provider, maraming tanong and you were able to provide the answer to G's question. And then next thing that I really admire is that you were looking for solutions regarding dun sa markdowns, dun sa RCA ni SMEG. And one thing that nagbigay sa akin ng detail or I came up with that comment is that you were asking for the IDs or job IDs because it's important that when we ask or we probe is that we have samples. And at the same time, kung talagang madilim yung mga pictures, it's probably not just ambiguity, but probably yung quality rin ng samples na pinoprovide ni client. So, aside from asking for the LX team kung what to do, probably we can also ask yung on client side if those are the actual data that they should be providing. Kasi mama-markdown talaga siya if we can't see kasi nga madilim. And yun yung maganda, yung kinukuha mo yung sample job IDs. And then also, I note na you were also asking yung RCA regarding the knowledge base or the rocket booster. Kasi nga, aside from previously, nakakapag-dispute tayo, tama ba? And right now, nakita natin na there are items na disputable but weren't able to dispute. That's why hindi na-update yung scorecard. So, good thing na you're extending help to your SME And despite na SME na sila, lagi nating alalahanin na they still need help. Diba? Hindi naman sila naging support team ng solely independent. At some point of time, they will need help. And yun yung maganda ko narinig kanina. Pag may problem, just ask me. Yun yung remarkable ding narinig ko sa'yo kanina, TLD. So aside from that, very well executed yung coaching. So I like it and good job. So do you have questions, D?
Nanral, thank you sa feedback. I will try to make sure na magawa din yan sa lahat ng aking coaching sessions. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.